Hello. Decided to record the last episode of this year here in the mountains, and I always wanted to go there but never found the time. I tried once but I didn't find the trail. You know, all this year being pretty rough. There have been moments when I wanted to quit. The primary goal for this videos was actually to do something, to create some base of information, check out what's been on that particular day, what was the weather a year ago at that particular day. So that was the primary goal for it. I wanted to create a content which I can use any single moment, like when people asking about the macro sites, or for example about that particular dive site, so then I can just send a link to my videos. When I started this channel there was around 150 subscribers. Now a year later there's 746. Is it a good result? Definitely yes. I know almost every single person who subscribed my channel. I can send an email to any of these people and I will get answers. Beautiful trail, by the way, really solid, going really up into the mountains. When you make videos every single day, like at least 4 hours a day, you are busy with all this video stuff. It's because first of all you have to film, then you have to edit it. If you want to focus on something little and interesting and add some good effects to your videos, so then you spend definitely way more time than only 2 hours. First time I'm going this trail. Like, I think it goes somewhere else, not here. The tree fell on a trail, so that's why I missed it. Feeling like a hobbit from the Lords of the Rings. sure I just found one of the most beautiful places all around Amed with the best view possible. Just imagine in the morning with a cup of coffee, you're sitting on this big rock, look at the sunrise and the clouds coming down in over the ridge of the Lempuyan. Isn't it this one beautiful, right? And the next I will go there. I think that's the next spot I'm gonna be. Also here being hiking up mountain like I'm doing at the moment. We've been always going ups and downs, and that's actually I think that's the greatest in any process, that makes you a little bit more humble and maybe showing another perspectives and other horizons. Yeah, I cannot imagine what if would be my life without this vlog. It actually helped me a lot. It kept me busy. Definitely really helped. There's been ups and downs all the time, but yeah, same like with this mountain. Just a little bit down there I was stuck and I thought what to do now. I was all sliding down, and if I would do any wrong movement I would just slide down and kill myself on that slope, but it didn't happen. Yeah, it's been years with up and downs, with explorations, with new things, with new emotions, with new people. So many different things be happening in this year. So that's why I will just take a break and I will be back one day. So that's why don't waste the time. If you didn't see all the episodes, and while there is no new episodes, please check them out. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe, because it's really important actually. Your subscriptions will give me some motivation to keep going. Comment, don't just watch the videos. If you like the video and if you like something or you didn't like, please comment. All right, thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, smash that thumbs up button, and see you one day again. Bye. I decided to make a vlog every day. So that means you will have a new, fresh content every day from us. Hey people, today we would like to bring you out for the tour to Bedugo. Hello, today I'm in a Gemala beach and I will tell you what's interesting about this place and why it's so popular. Just in case why you, if you're asking why we're breathing so heavy, we do trekking. So that's the only way how to survive here during the rain season. This beautiful view. I decided to come to the Agon. This time I tried another trail.